Let me take the opportunity to say that no amount of aid from any foreign country is going to do any good for Haiti. International aid never developed any country. Today we have international forces in Haiti. Each soldier of the international force is making $5,000 a month. When you can be for or against the Haitian government or the one who is in power. But President Preval asked them, why don't you, instead of the guns and the rifles and the machine guns, you bring tractors and bulldozers? The reply was, we are not here to develop Haiti.